Find the unit digit in 7 power 256. Find the unit digit in 7 power 256. So what is the concept here? So how to find unit digit in 7 power 256? So remember, if you take any number, any natural number, the unit digit in that natural number is same as the remainder when that natural number divided by 10. Am I correct? If you take any natural number, if you divide that natural number by 10, the remainder, whatever you are getting the remainder, it is same as unit digit in that natural number. Suppose for example, if I consider 756, if you divide with 10, what you will get remainder? If you divide with 10, what you are getting remainder? 6. So the 6 is same as unit digit in 756. Okay. Suppose if you consider one more number, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the unit digit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5. So if you divide this number by 10, if you divide this number by 10, so what you are getting remainder? 5. So that means to get the unit digit in any natural number, just you divide that number by 10, then whatever you are getting remainder, that remainder is the unit digit in that number. Okay. So unit digit in a natural number is equal to, it is the remainder when that natural number divided by 10. Okay. So now 7 power 256. Now we have to find unit digit, which is same as, it is the remainder when 7 power 256 divided by 10. So now consider the 7 powers which is closer to 10 or multiples of 10. Okay. So if you consider 7 which is not closer to 10, 7 square 49, but it is closer to what? Multiple of 10, which is 50. So, and moreover the difference between those two quantities is 1. That means we have to express 7 power 256 in the powers of 7 square, which is 49. So how to adjust 7 power 256? 7 square whole power 128. So 7 square is nothing but 49 whole power 128. So 49 whole power 128 can be written as 50 minus 1 whole power 128. Now expand using binomial theorem. What do you get? 128C0, 50 power 128 minus 128C1, 50 power 127. Am I correct? Next term, what do you get? 128 C2, 50 power 126, and so on. And what will be the last term? 128 C 128, so 50 power 0. And that before term, what you will get? Minus 128 C 127, 50. So now if you observe, except the last term, each term is a multiple of 50, and hence they are multiples of 10 also. So that means this whole sum is a multiple of 10. That means that whole sum can be written as 10 into some integer, say m. And what is the last term? 1. 128C, 128 value is nothing but 1 only now. So thus what you are getting, 7 power 256 is equal to 10m plus 1, where m is some integer. That means here 1 denotes what? Remainder. So this 1 denotes what? It is the remainder when 7 power 256 divided by 10. Divided by 10. So the remainder when 7 power 256 divided by 10 is same as what? Unit digit. Unit digit in 7 power 256. So what is the unit digit in 7 power 256? It is equal to what? 1. Okay. So this is the method to find unit digit. But I want to give some more method, one more method. So with that method you can able to find immediately within 10 seconds, maximum at most 10 seconds. Okay. So consider 5 power n. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. So what is the unit digit in 5 power 1? 5. 5 square is 25. 5. 5 cube 125. 5. That means if you consider 5 power n, where n is a natural number, the unit digit in that number is 5. Always 5 for any natural number n. So what is the unit digit in 5 power 100? 5. 5 power 2020? 5. 5 power 1 crore? 5 only. Okay. So the unit digit in 5 power n is 5 for all natural numbers n. Okay. Next, second. In the same way, unit digit in 6 power n is what? 6 for all natural numbers n. 6 power 1, 6. Unit digit is 6. 6 square, 36. Unit digit is 6. 6 cube, 216. Again, unit digit is 6. That means if you consider 6 power any natural number, the unit digit in that number is again 6 only. Okay. Next, you consider 4. 4 power n. What is the 4 power 1? 4. Unit digit is 4. 4 square, 16. Unit digit is 6. 4 cube, 64. Again, unit digit is 4. 4 power 4, 256. Again, unit digit is what? 6. That means what you observed from this sequence. So, the unit digit in 4 power n is either 4 or 6. And particularly, the unit digit is 4 if n is odd. And unit digit is 6 if n is even. For example, what is the unit digit in 4 power 256? 4 power 256. Here what is n value? 256, even number. So even unit digit is 6. Okay. And if you consider 4 power 2021, what is the unit digit in 4 power 2021? 2021 is an odd number. Then unit digit in 4 power 2021 is what? 4. Okay. Next you consider 9. 9 power n. So what is the 9 power 1? 9. Unit digit is 9. 9 square 81. Unit digit is 1. 9 cube 729. Again unit digit what? 9. 9 power 4 6561. Again unit digit is what? 1. That means here in 9 power n also what are the possible unit digits? Either 9 or 1. So unit digit in 9 power n is 9 when n is odd, and it is 1 when n is even. So what is the unit digit in 9 power 2020? 2020 is even number, then what is that? 1. Okay. And next you consider 0 power n. 0 only, no? So that means the unit digit in 0 power n is 0 means suppose you consider 10. What is the unit digit in 10 power 1? 0. What is the 10 unit digit in 10 square? 0. 10 cube? 0, etc. Okay. Then what is the unit digit in 1 power n? 1. Correct? Next. What is the unit digit in 2 power n? What is the unit digit in 2 power n? So 2 power 1 is how much? 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 power 4 16. That means 16 means unit digit is 6. 2 power 5 32. Again unit digit is 2. So these are the 4 possible unit digits in 2 power n for any natural number n. Okay. So particularly the unit digit will be 2 if that is in the form of 4k plus 1. That is in the form of 4k plus 1. That n should be in the form of 4k plus 1. And the unit digit in 2 power n is 4 if n is of the form 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2. The unit digit in 2 power n is 8 if that n is in the form of 4k plus 3. And the unit digit in 2 power n is 6. That n is a multiple of 4. That is 4k. For example, what is the unit digit in 2 power 2020 or 201? You only consider. What is the unit digit in 201? So if you, this can be written as 4 into 50 plus 1 only, na? Or if you did not get this idea also, just you divide 201 by 4. Why we need to divide with 4 only? Because the unit digit in 2 power n is either 2 or 4 or 8 or 6. How many choices are there? 4 choices are there. That's why we have to divide. So if you 2 power n, here n value is more than 4 is there. If n value is more than 4 is there, then you have to divide that number by 4. Okay, that number by 4 only. Suppose you got remainder is 1. You got remainder is 1. Then whatever the unit digit in 2 power, that number is same as the unit digit in 2 power 1. If n value, if you got remainder is 2, then unit digit in 2 power n is same as unit digit in 2 square. If you got remainder is 3, the unit digit in that 2 power n is same as unit digit in 2 cube. If remainder you are getting 0, then the unit digit in that 2 power n is same as the unit digit in 2 power 4. Okay, so here if I divide with 4, what I am getting remainder? 1. So the unit digit in 2 power 201 is same as 2 power 1, because here what I am getting remainder? 1. So what is the 2 power 1? 2. So that means what is the unit digit in 2 power 1? 2. So unit digit in 2 power 201 also? 2 only. Okay. Suppose what is the unit digit in 2 power 403? So if you divide 403 by 4, so what you are getting remainder? 3 only, na? What you are getting remainder? 3. So that means the unit digit in 2 power 403 is same as the unit digit in 2 cube. What is the unit digit in 2 cube? 8. So the unit digit in 2 power 403 is equal to 8. Suppose what is the unit digit in 2 power 400? What is the unit digit in 2 power 400? If you divide 400 by 4, what you are getting remainder? 0. That means this 400 is a what? Multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Then the unit digit in 2 power 400 is same as the unit digit in 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 is how much? 16. What is the unit digit in 16? 6. So thus the unit digit in 2 power 400 is 6 only. Okay. Next to 3 power n. What is the 3 power 1? 3. 3 square 9. 3 cube 27. Unit digit is 7. 3 power 4 81. Unit digit is 1. 3 power 5 243. Again unit digit is what? 3. That means unit digit in 3 power n. What are the possible unit digits? Either 3, 9, 7, 1. The unit digit in 3 power n, either it may be 3, 9, 7, 1. When it is 3, so when n is in the form of 4k plus 1. When it is 9, and n is in the form of 4k plus 2. So when you will get 7, when n is in the form of 4k plus 3. And when you will get unit digit is 1, when n is a multiple of 4. Okay. So that means here also how many choices we have? 4 choices. Suppose Akasmat if n is more than 4, the same way how you are finding unit digit in 2 power n, in the same way you have to find, in the same procedure you have to apply, then whatever you are getting remainder, based upon that you have to write corresponding unit digit. Suppose if n value is 500, if I divide with 4, what I am getting remainder? 0. That means 500 is a multiple of 4. So that means unit digit in 3 power 500 is same as 3 power 4, which is 1. Because 3 power 4 is 81. What is the unit digit? 1. Suppose if you consider 17. Okay, if you divide 17 by 4, what you are getting remainder? 1. So unit digit in 3 power 17 is same as unit digit in 3 power 1. Okay. Next you take, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 power n. So 7 power 1, 7. 7 square, 49. 7 cube, 343. 7 power 4, something you will get, but unit digit will be 1. Again 7 power 5, unit digit is 7. That means the unit digit in 7 power n also having how many choices? 4 choices. Okay. Next you consider 8. 8 power n. 8 power 1, 8. 8 square, 64. 8 cube, 512. So unit digit is 2. And 8 power 4, in that 4096 you will get unit digit is 6. Again if you consider 8 power 5, unit digit will be 8 only. So that means for 2, 3, 7 and 8, for these 4 numbers, unit is having 4 choices. For 4 and 9, it has only 2 choices. And for 0, 1, 5, 6, for these 4 numbers, 0, 1, 5, 6, for these 4 numbers, we have only one choice, the digit itself only. Okay, so suppose if they ask what is the unit digit in 122 whole power 1022. What is the unit digit in 122 whole power 1022? In this base, what is the unit digit? What is the base here? 122. Or you consider 123, no problem. Okay. You consider what is the unit. Question is what is the unit digit in 123 whole power 1022? Okay. So here base is a very big number. We have to reduce it. Okay. So what is the unit digit in the base? What is the unit digit in the base? 3. Correct? The unit digit in the base is 3. Okay. Then the unit digit in 123 whole power 1022 is same as the unit digit in 3 power 1022. Okay. The unit digit in 123 whole power 1022 is same as the unit digit in 3 power 1022. But 3 power n has how many choices? 4 choices are there, because here n value is how much? 1022, more than 4. And 3 power n has how many choices? 4 choices. The unit digit in 3 power n has how many choices? 4 choices. Then if you divide 1022 by 4, what you will get remainder? What you will get remainder? Think. The remainder will be what you will get? 2. Okay. If you divide this 1022 by 4. Why we need to divide with 4 only? Because the unit digit in 3 power n has 4 choices. That is why we have to divide with 4 only. What I am getting remainder? 2. So what is 3 square value? 9. What is the unit digit in 9? 9. So thus the unit digit in 3 power 1022 is 9, and hence what is the unit digit in 123 whole power 1022? 9 only. Okay. That means if you can remember all these things, then you can easily find unit digit within 10 seconds, maximum 10 seconds. Okay. So this is the just hard to you. Okay. So look at this problem. What is the unit digit in 126 power 2020? So 126 in base 126. What is the unit digit? 6. So unit digit in 126 power 2020 same as unit digit in 6 power 2020. But you know that so unit digit in 6 power n is 6 for any natural number n. So obviously, what is the unit digit in 6 power 2020? 6. Thus, unit digit in 126 power 2020 is 6. So, what is the unit digit in 2025 whole power 2 lakhs? So, in the base, what is the unit digit? 5. So, the unit digit in 2025 whole power 2 lakhs is same as the unit digit in 5 power 2 lakhs. And obviously already you know that what is the unit digit in 5 power n for any natural number n? 5 only. So the unit digit in 5 power 2 lakhs is 5. Thus unit digit in 2025 whole power 2 lakhs is 5. So what is the unit digit in 2021 power 2020? So what is the unit digit in 2021? What is the unit digit in the base 1? So 1 power 2020. So the unit digit in 2021 whole power 2020 is same as the unit digit in 1 power 2020, which is 1. I hope you understand. I hope you understand this session. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and ask them subscribe my channel, so that to get more number of videos. They will get more number of videos. So do subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.